So here's how to verify your Wise account. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important step. First, you will need to log into your Wise account. Then here click on the send money option, and once you click on the send money option, now it will take you to this page. After that, here you have to select your currency and be sure that your currency is the below $1,000. As you can see, if I'm entering a greater value, it will not proceed my payment. So make sure you have selected a minimum amount. Once you have selected the currency, now here you have to click on the continue to continue it, and once you click on the continue, now it will take you to another page. Here you have to enter your recipient details. You have to enter name, email or phone, or you can select yourself as well if you want to transfer funds to your account. Here I'm gonna select myself option, and once I selected this option, now it will take me to the another page. Here I have to enter my bank details and then hit on the confirm. After that, it will ask me to add my phone number for the verification, and once I added the phone number, now it will send me a verification code that I have to enter for the verification. Once I entered the code, now my account is verified. So that's how to verify Wise account.